The Honda Dax 1978 125cc is a classic and iconic minibike that became popular due to its unique design and versatility. The Dax series, also known as the ST series, was originally introduced by Honda in the late 1960s with the ST50 and ST70 models. By 1978, Honda continued to refine and update the design, adding the 125 cubic centimeter engine option, which offered more power and enhanced usability. The Honda Dax 125cc is powered by a 124cc air-cooled 4-stroke single-cylinder engine. It produces about 9 to 11 horsepower, which, for a small bike, gives it solid performance in city riding or light off-road trails. It has a 4-speed manual transmission with a centrifugal clutch, making it beginner-friendly but also enjoyable for more experienced riders. The top speed is around 85 to 90 kilometers per hour, which is quite decent for a mini bike of this size and era. The Dax series features a T-shaped pressed steel frame, which not only gives it the signature mini cruiser look, but also makes it lightweight and easy to handle. One of the standout features of the Dax is its compact size and folding handlebars, making it easy to transport or store, ideal for urban environments or as a small adventure bike. The bike typically has a long, comfortable seat, allowing for 2 passengers despite its small size. The Dax comes with small 10-inch wheels, contributing to its nimble handling. Suspension, basic telescopic front forks and dual rear shocks provide a simple but effective suspension system, giving it a smooth ride on city streets and even light off-road conditions. The Dax has a distinct vintage design with its small boxy frame, rounded headlight, and minimalistic features. The 1978 model carries this retro look, making it highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts. It is known for being incredibly fun to ride. Its small size and lightweight make it easy to maneuver, and the 125 cubic centimeter engine provides just enough power for urban commuting or recreational riding. As with most small displacement bikes, the Dax is highly fuel efficient, making it an economical choice for short trips. Over the years, the Honda Dax 125 cubic centimeters from 1978 has become a collector's item due to its unique design, retro charm, and reliable performance. Restored models often fetch high prices in vintage bike markets, and it's still a favorite among mini bike enthusiasts. The Honda Dax series has a cult following and is recognized as a symbol of Honda's innovation in producing small, fun, and versatile bikes. While the Dax 125cc might not have been as common as the smaller displacement versions like the ST50 and ST70, it still holds a special place in the world of mini bikes for its perfect balance of power and portability.